This is an audio test and video test for the Runcam 2. I've got the external microphone for the Mobius A, and I have the Mobius C on the chest microphone, and I have the Runcam 2 on a tripod. Telemetry is good, battery's in, let's go. The old Bixler, haven't flown it for a while. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. No dramas at all. So we've got a fair bit of wind. Squirreling around all over the place. Wind in my face now. Now I'm just going to fly around for a little bit and talk. And so I wonder how the hatcam compares to the chest cam. Look at this lovely Bixler, so easy to fly. Power off and it just wants to glide. Bobbling around in the wind. Glide by. Let's try a different angle. Big gust of wind, straight in my face. Bixler is just going to hang there. Hopefully the Runcam can see this. So this is one of my favourite planes, good old Bixler 2. I've been flying it for 4 years probably, and it just handles everything. Brilliant plane. Let's keep flying. So I'm standing now with my back to the wind. With my back to the wind. Side on, this is probably going to be the noisiest for wind. Side on, this is probably going to be the noisiest for wind. Now this is face on, straight into the wind. Now this is face on, straight into the wind, launching again. Use the motor most of the time with this one. Sometimes they are though. Yeah, it's good fun. It's a bit windy at the moment, but so this should be a good test of everything. Hopefully the hatcam has reduced volume a bit, but nicely muffled from the wind. We shall see. 11.5 volts. I like my telemetry. Good fun. So what do we think? How is the Runcam performing? How's the hatcam performing? And the chest audio performing? And the Bixler. Bixler's good fun. What have I got? 11.6 volts. Oh, let's keep going. Loop. Roll. Roll the other way. Inverted. Come out of it.
9 minutes.
Lots of inverted. Roll out of it. Forward loop. Here we go. Oh dear me. Glider home. Yeah. That'll do it. Excellent. Good test. Unplug, unplug.
Telemetry lost.
That's alright. Time to go home. See you later.